In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format a table in Excel to visually group and analyze your data. This simple yet effective process can turn a block of information into an interactive and easy-to-read table that simplifies data analysis. Let's get started. Before we dive into creating the table, ensure that your data is neatly organized in your Excel spreadsheet. The clearer your data, the easier it will be to transform into a table. With that in mind, select any cell within your data set. This crucial first step helps Excel recognize the data range you're working with. With a cell selected, navigate to the top of your Excel interface and find the Home tab. You'll see various options here, but the one you're looking for is labeled Format as Table. Click on this option and you'll be presented with a gallery of styles. You can choose any style that you feel complements your data. Whether you prefer a simple, no-nonsense look or a colorful design, there's something for everyone. Selecting a style not only changes the table's appearance, but can also aid in making distinctions between different parts of your data. Once you've chosen a style, a dialog box will appear. Excel will automatically populate the cell range based on the data surrounding the cell you selected earlier. Make sure this range reflects the entirety of your data set. If it doesn't, you can manually adjust it here. This is a vital point, as the accuracy of this range will determine the effectiveness of your table. You'll also notice an option to mark if your table has headers. If your data includes headers, which typically describe the type of data each column contains, make sure this is checked. This will ensure that those headers are incorporated into the table format, allowing for easier recognition and sorting of data within the columns. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and select OK. Congratulations! You've now formatted your data as a table. This isn't just about aesthetics. This table format comes bundled with powerful tools. You can now easily filter your data, which helps when you need to focus on specific entries or perform detailed analysis across the entire table. Your table also enables you to perform various kinds of data analysis. Need to quickly sort through a mountain of figures or filter out certain categories for a report you're working on? The table format provides a built-in capability to perform these tasks seamlessly. This added functionality transforms what could be a static piece of data into a dynamic tool for decision-making. And that's it. You've just created a formatted table in Excel. This process, though quick and easy, significantly enhances your ability to analyze and organize your data effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful Excel tips.